Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Teams working. So there are a lot of different ways to get it working. There is the Ubuntu package installer. There's also, you can get it for Debian as well. They have an unofficial package from the community from Arch Linux. There's also a Fedora package. And it's also on Flatpak and Snap. But the thing about these two is that they're technically not official releases, but it still uses the integrated web Microsoft Teams stuff, so you can still get that working. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to get the Arch Linux one working, because I use Arch Linux, and we'll also show you how you can get the Snap version working, so we'll do both. So to start off, you need to open up a terminal and follow the instructions to get Trizen working. Now Trizen is an AUR installer, and I use it to install a lot of AUR packages. Once you've gotten Trizen installed, you can easily just use it to install Teams like any other program. You can go through and select these options. Now it's going to download the Ubuntu Debian package, and it will recompile it into an Arch package. Alright, so once it's done decompiling and all of that, and recompiling, you can enter your password and it will install Teams, and we have a nice Arch version of Teams. And we can open up our app menu, and there is Microsoft Teams, the preview. Now I can launch it like so, and I can sign up for my account. Now, if you're not lucky enough to be able to use the Arch or Debian, Ubuntu, or Fedora OpenSUSE versions, you can still get it working, and this is thanks to some hard work with some people in the community. They have uploaded Snap and Flatpak versions. Now, I didn't specifically say that they were not official packages because it still points to the same website. It's not endorsed by Microsoft, but if you're using Teams, you're not really going to notice. So to get the Snap version, you can do snap search Teams. Now we can look through. There are a lot of different choices. So maybe here we go. Teams for Linux is what we need, and then we can do sudo snap install Teams for Linux. Now this is going to download, and as you can see, it's the unofficial client, but it will download directly from the Snap Store and install. After the Snap is done, you can look for Teams, and you can see Microsoft Teams for Linux, and you can launch that. And it's not going to be the exact same experience as the official one, but it still works. It still points you to Microsoft, and you can still use it. So that's how you can get Microsoft Teams working for Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.